After we finish the 20 centimeter length hole, we can change the drill bit to pass to the 50 centimeter. You need to use the wrenches to counterclockwise to extract the drill bit. If it's too hard, you can help yourself with the breaker and the catcher to use it as a lever. Okay, then we can extract the drill bit and pass to the 50 centimeters in the same hole. We recommend always, when changing the drill bit, cleaning it and using some copper grease to the extraction after. With the brush of the toolbox, you just clean it a bit and then use the copper grease. Then finish it with the wrenches. By hand it's usually okay. Then in the same hole you can begin the second sample.